Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this white shadow border on CapCut PC. Select your photo, and I'm going to select a different frame ratio for this one. Maybe like 1:1, okay. Then I'm going to scroll down to canvas, and I'm going to select color, and I'm going to select a white background. Actually, I need to do it on the one underneath, so let me just place this on top. And then here, I'm just going to select mask, and I'm going to select the mirror one, and I'm just going to adjust it like this. Then I'll go back to canvas because we just moved it, and we'll select that color. Select the black area again, go to mask, and then you're just going to feather it out. You're just going to bring it in a little bit more to create that shadow effect look. That is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!